If you use Gamma app to organize your projects, presentations, or content ideas, then learning how to create a folder is one of the quickest ways to keep everything neat and easy to find. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can set up a new folder inside Gamma in just a few seconds. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app, then sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Gamma dashboard, which is where all of your recent work and Workspace tools are stored. From here, take a look at the left side of the screen or the main dashboard area and find the section labeled Folders. Gamma may place this in a slightly different spot depending on your layout, but it should still be easy to spot. Next, click on New Folder. In some cases, you may see a plus icon next to the Folders area, and that will do the same thing. After clicking it, a box or pop-up will appear asking you to enter a name for your folder. Type in a clear folder name that matches the type of content you want to keep inside it. For example, you could name it Marketing, Client Work, School Projects, or Video Ideas. Choosing a simple name now will make your workspace much easier to manage later. Once the folder name is ready, click Create. Gamma will then generate the folder inside your workspace, and you'll be able to start moving or organizing your content right away. That's it. Your new folder has been created successfully in Gamma. If you want, you can repeat the same process anytime you need more folders for different projects or categories. This is a great way to keep your Gamma dashboard organized, especially if you use the app often for notes, presentations, or team collaboration. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy how-to tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.